Hello. Today I'll be doing some Terraria gameplay. Sorry if you hear anything in the background. Today we are going to be doing a gameplay for Terraria iOS. Hope you like this video, and in the comments post if you want me to do more of this series. Oops, wrong guy. You need to create a new person. I think I'm going to go with male. Let's go with this screenplay. That one. I like his hair. I don't like his color though. I want to be blonde. Yeah. Let's go with green eyes. Red shirt. I like him. Okay, let's create. And we're gonna name him Kyle. Start the game. Sorry. Let's name it that. Okay. Let's hope we get a good spawn. Got a pretty good spawn. Break these pots. Chests on the first day. Oh, get guinea pig. That's good. Glow sticks, iron skin, potion, and bottles. Already unlocking new recipes. So let's go track down some wood. Our goal for today is to get a house. Well, copper armor. And a house. I think I know where to put it. Okay. We're going to put my house. We're going to put the house up there. We're going to take those chests when we can. Let's grab some wood so we can get up there. Let's get that copper. Gonna want to make it into armor. Okay. That's stupid slime. Start building up. It's where you can jump a little bit higher than in Minecraft. Yes, we got it. I want to have my house right about over here. Actually, I don't want it up there. It's too... Let's have it somewhere over here. Yeah, this is a good spot. Let's start building this house. First, let's chop down these trees. I'm not going to try to do too much mining in this series, but I'm going to have to do some. There, we got a pretty standard house. It's enough for an NPC to move in. Can make that hole with the door. The door is actually 3 blocks high in this game. Let's see. Let's make some torches. We're going to get that copper. Let's get some stone. Now I'm going to show everything. So I'm not going to be doing off screen unless you guys want me to. Do off screen mining. I think that will be enough stone, hopefully. We need 20 bricks. We only have 12. There's some right here. So I'll grab it if it's here. Let's fill that in. Yes, we have enough. Let's make some copper bars. We're gonna need some iron to make armor. Make some wood walls so monsters don't spawn inside our house. I think that's a pretty good house. And I know you can place bottles on there to make potions. Just can't quite make them yet. It's a little boring at night time, so I'm going to make it not very boring. Gonna go exploring. We just got a potion. Looks like we found a cave. Sure did. Let's see if we can find some chests. We're gonna need to get some better tools. Looks like nothing down here. Well, I think we're going to end the video off here. Hope you had a good time. See you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, tell me if you want this to be a series. I'll see you guys in the next episode, if there is one. Bye.